Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick step-by-step guide how you can actually download the Fortnite game in the Poco X3 device. As you can clearly see, friends, right now I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone, and recently I did another video on the Fortnite game supporting the 60 FPS or not. So try to check that video in case if you want to know. So and most of the users they did ask me how to download the Fortnite game in the Poco X3 device. So let me show you what are the steps you need to follow. So first thing, let me try to explain you friends. Try to clear the storage as much as possible because this game will use lot of storage space. As you can see, the game consumed close to 8 GB of size, which is insane for this game. So Fortnite game, so definitely you should keep 10 GB of free space for the safe side. So before downloading, so make sure that you clear all the data. So first is that you need to go to the Google Chrome browser and try to search for the APK Fortnite APK. As soon as you search, click the first link. So don't select any other link, click the first link, which is epicgames.com. So as soon as you click that link, it will ask you to download one of the application. As you can see, so click on this one, get the app. So now it will ask you to download this Epic Games. So now you need to download this Epic Games, and from the Epic Games you can download the Fortnite game as well. So now let me try to install this application. So once you download the application, next you need to give the Google Chrome permission to allow the unknown applications as well. So just give the permission to install that application Epic Games. So once you give the everything, all the permissions, then try to install the application Epic Games. So once you install, try to open the game. So let me try to demonstrate you right now. Once it gets installed, so it will scan for any viruses and everything. So let me open. So as soon as you open the Epic Games, you will be welcome with the Fortnite game. So there will be other couple of games as well, but don't try to download any other. So because we need only the Fortnite game. So first one will be the Fortnite game. So just click on the Fortnite game, and now it will ask you to install. So just install the Fortnite game right now. So this will actually download the Fortnite installer directly from the Epic Games. So this is not the actual game you're downloading, this is just the Fortnite installer only. So once you install this one, then you will be downloading the Fortnite game. So this will take not that too long, but the other part will take very much long time because you need to download close to 5 to 6 GB of data first before actually you can play the game as well. So now once you download the Fortnite installer, just try to install this Fortnite application. So once you install this Fortnite application, again this will ask you to give the permissions. So you need to give the permissions for that one as well. So once you are done this one, then directly you need to download the Fortnite data. So let me try to open the application here. So this is the official way of downloading the Fortnite game. So try to follow this exact method, because don't try to install any other applications. So if you have the account, you can create. If you don't have the account, you can log in. So if you don't have the account, you can create, and if you have the account, you can log in directly. So once after you log in or create an account, it will ask you to install the game. So as I said, the game data is very big. It's close to 9 GB of data. So try to keep that your phone data storage completely empty. So as soon as you see this 9 GB, you can just click on this one, and this will try to install the game. And this will take continuously long time. And definitely try to connect the Wi-Fi connection. Don't try to use the mobile data. It's just waste of mobile data. So definitely try to connect the Wi-Fi connection and try to download. And this is a quick way of installing the Fortnite game in the Poco X3 device. So for more details, make sure to check the links in description about the Poco X3 smartphone. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.